beyond the actual surgeries and treatments, people from all over the world prefer to stay back in Hyderabad, stay back in Telangana during their wellness period, often undergoing physiotherapies and other wellness treatments. We also would like to proudly tell the world that we have a tourism policy which is very futuristic and very ambitious. We aim to attract 15,000 crores over the next 5 years, that is 150 billion in tourist investment. With a strong framework in ecotourism, medical tourism, sports tourism, spiritual tourism, by offering the best of the concessions, best of the subsidies to meet and beat any other tourist investment state in India. So we welcome the world to participate in our growth journey of the tourism sector. Coming to the fun part, we are the Bahubali of the cinema and entertainment industry, with films like RRR that have grabbed the global spotlight. Our silver screens light up with more than 300 films annually with the best of talent in animation, gaming, and visual effects ecosystem. Step into Telangana, where sporting legends are born and champions are shaped. Tennis ace Sania Mirza, Pulela Gopichand, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Kidambi Shrikant, Nikhat Zareen, Arjun Erigaisi, Dronavalli Harika, Shrija Akula, Isha Singh, Ritvik Chaudhary, Bolipalli, Ritvika Shivani, Mohammad Husamuddin, Tilak Verma, and Mohammad Siraj. And we are just getting started. From the serene Buddhist haven, that is Buddhavanam, which houses Telangana's ancient Buddhist heritage, to the frenzy and color and festivities of Medaram Jatra, and to the Bonalu, we, the vibrant people of Telangana, are humble, hospitable, rustic, and real. And Hyderabad, once the wealthiest city in the world, which was the hub for diamond and pearl trade, with the grandeur of Charminar, the Lad Bazaar, Falaknama and Chau Mohalla, which Christina had a chance to visit very recently, and its largest collection of antiques in the Salarjung Museum that stand as testimony to the legacy of that bygone era, which has shaped also our identity today. Cut to the modern day Cyberabad, the nerve center for IT-enabled services, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, defense and defense research. We are home to global tech giants like Microsoft and Google. A growing hub of startup ecosystem, a platform to ideate, innovate, and incubate. The T-Hub, where brilliant young minds find their ideas into commercial operations. Innovation and cutting-edge research in life sciences, aerospace, clean energy happens here in the very city of Hyderabad that today we have all a chance to be in. And while you're here, don't forget to have our delectable biryani, halim, and Telangana Vantakalu, and please wash it down with some Irani chai. In other words, this is the place where every foodie's dream becomes a reality. So we can never stress enough on the care that our law and order authorities take to keep Telangana a safe and friendly tourism destination. With state-of-the-art surveillance 24/7 from our integrated command control center, we assure to every tourist, every traveler, that Telangana is a safe tourism destination for all travelers, especially solo women, travelers, and senior citizens. So I can go on and on about the love story that is Telangana, my home and my karma bhumi of the last 25 plus years. But I take this unique opportunity to present this destination to the global audience, a destination that awaits your discovery. Like we like to say it here in Dakkani, Telangana Zarur Aana. It is a memory of a lifetime, not just a place on the map. So thank you everybody for gracing us today, and especially to the media fraternity, a very warm welcome to Telangana and